mulai.
Okay, good morning. Today, my group, I would like to discuss about reading comprehension 2. The title of the text is The Right of the Reproductive System. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hilwa Malia Rosalba. In the group, there are Shafika, Rani, Friska, and Revana. The first part is going to be explained by Friska. Okay, first time and place is yours.
Okay, good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Priska. Now I try to explain about the description of the male and female reproductive system. The male reproductive system works to produce and store and deliver sperm to fertilize egg. Meanwhile, the female reproductive system has a function to produce egg and provide a place for the fetus during pregnancy. These two functions complement each other in the reproductive system. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Priska. The next part going to be explained by Revana.
Thank you, moderator. My name is Revana. Now I try explain about the main idea of the first and second paragraph. The main idea of the first paragraph is the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The system of organs involved with the reproduction of an organism, especially sexual reproduction, in consists mainly of the ovaries, uterus, and vagina in females, and the testes and penis in males. And the main idea of the second paragraph is the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species within the context of producing offspring. The reproductive system has function function to produce egg and sperm cell to transport and sustain T cell to nurture the developing offspring to reproduction hormones. We can see in the first sentence of the paragraph. Thank you, moderator.
Okay, thank you, Revana. The next part is going to be explained by Shafika.
Good morning. Thank you, moderator. My name is Shafika. Now I try to explain about the main idea of the question. The first question is, what is the reproductive system? The answer, the reproductive system or genital system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The second question is, mention some important accessories to the reproductive system. The answer, the reproductive system or genital system is a genital of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The third question is, what does it refer to in sentence of line 5, paragraph 1? The answer, the mean it in sentence line 5, paragraph 1 is sexual reproduction. There's in the first paragraph on the fourth line. The fourth question is, what is the major function of reproductive system? The answer, the major function of the reproductive system is to ensure the survival of the species. And the last question is, mention the other four function of reproductive system. The answer, for function to produce egg and sperm cells, to transport and sustain the cells, to nurture the developing offspring, to produce hormones. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shafika. The next part is going to be explained by Friska.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Now I try to explain about the vocabulary of the female and male reproductive system part. Female reproductive system part is vagina, vagina orifice, labia minora, labia majora, cervix, and rectum. And the male reproductive system part is testis, urethra, penis, erectile tissue, scrotum, and epididymis. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Priska. The last part is going to be explained by Rani.
Thank you, moderator. My name is Rani Nurhayati. Now I try to explain about the main idea of the how reproductive system work. The male reproductive system consists of two major parts, the testis where answer sperm. Sperm are reproduced and the penis. According to Mark manuals, the penis and urethra belong to both the urinary and reproductive system in males. The testes are carried in an external pouch known as the answer scrotum, where they normally remain slightly cooler than body temperature to facilitate sperm reproduction. The external structure of the female reproductive system include the clitoris, labia minora, labia majora, and Bartholin's answer glands. Glands, according to the Cleveland Clinic, the major internal organ of the female reproductive system include the vagina and uterus, which act as the receptacle for semen, and the ovaries, which produce the female of the vagina, is attached to the uterus through the answer cervix, while the fallopian tubes connect the uterus to the ovaries in response to hormonal change. One answer ovum or egg or more in the case of multiple birth is released and send down the fallopian tube during ovulation. If not fertilized, these eggs. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rani. The discussion been finished now. I would like to convey the conclusion of the text. It can be conclusion that the reproductive system or genital system is system of sex organ within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. An individual may live a long, healthy, and happy life without production of offspring. But if the species is to continue, at least some individual must produce offspring. Okay, this is enough. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you and see you.
See you.
See you.
Hmm.